Around town. At the post office.
What can I do for you today?
I need to mail this package to New York, please.
Okay, let's see how much it weighs. It's about 5 pounds. If you send it express, it will get there tomorrow. Or you can send it priority and it will get there by Saturday.
Saturday is fine. How much will that be?
$11.35. Do you need anything else?
Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I need a book of stamps too.
Okay, your total comes to $20.35.
Language notes. What can I do for you today? Notice that this question starts with what, so the intonation drops at the end of the question. Or you can send it priority. Notice the stress on or, which emphasizes that there is another possibility. $11.35. $20.35. Notice the two different ways the postal clerk says the price. First, he says $11.35 without the words dollars and cents. Then he says $20.35. Oh yeah is an expression used here to mean I just remembered something. It's often followed by I almost forgot. Your total comes to is a way of saying the cost is.